Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select passwords and security. Then go into screen lock over here and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, wait 5 seconds and tap on got it. Now enter your login method and repeat it. When you're ready, select confirm at the bottom right corner. And if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by tapping on add. I don't want to though, so I will go with cancel and click home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!